channel. Today I'm going to make Chinese pancake. There are a lot of versions of Chinese pancakes, and this version what I'm going to make is what I already ate at home. It is really easy to make. Just need a couple ingredients which everybody have done at home. Before we start, I wanna say sorry guys for the late update because I got 2 little babies at home. They're just super adorable. Love them so much. However, despite that, they're super active as well, especially at night. So they wake me up every day in the morning around like 4:30 to 5. Back to our topic. Let's start to make all the delicious. Start with a bowl of flour and crack 2 eggs in 2 cups of water. Mix until there's no flour crumbles around. Chop up some cilantros, about 1 cup. Put the cilantro into the egg flour mixture. Mix. Drizzle some sesame oil to enhance the flavor. Add a little bit of salt to taste, about 1 teaspoon. Mix. Set it aside. I'm going to make some dipping sauce. Start with the jalapeno. Cut. Take out the seed. And chop them. Soy sauce, vinegar, and put all the jalapenos in. Pour some oil. I want this pan to heat it up evenly before we put any batters in. After you feel the oil is heated up, turn the heat to the low because we don't want to burn our pancake. Take our batters. Cook about 2 minutes per side at low heat. Wow, I can already smell that. The cilantro gives this pancake really earthy aroma. To make this kind of pancake, we want to make sure there's enough oil. Otherwise, the pancake will stick into the pan and we don't want that to happen. It's quite crispy. Let's turn it around. See how you've cooked? It's quite golden and really soft in the middle. How the edges is sizzling, it's gonna be really crispy. Let me check if the back is ready. Still need some more time. I burnt this part. Poor little baby. It's about 2 minutes per side. I'm going to take this pancake to my plate. Wow, it's quite golden on the edges. Fold it into a triangle. Pour a little bit more oil in this pan. Wow, it looks super pretty. It's going to be very good. I'm not going to doubt that. The last one. Set our pancake plate. Wow, I can't wait to eat this. I will just use the chopstick and take one piece of this and dip into this dipping sauce. I just dip this piece into the dipping sauce. I'm going to taste this. Have you ever had the cotton? It's like the cotton, like the air in your mouth. It doesn't even need to chew that much. That is from the center of the pancake. I'm going to try the edges of the pancake. I'll take one piece of the edges and dip them into the dipping sauce. Crispy from the outside. Also, the dipping sauce, vinegar, soy sauce, and the chili balance out all the oil from the pancake. It's in a harmony right now. That's super good. It tastes fantastic. If you don't like cilantro, you can substitute this with green onion or any herbs you like. You will like it in the end. Please try it out. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time.
Sometimes I get high to free my mind. Is that alright? Right. Sometimes I get drunk to pass the time. Is that alright?